In this video, we will show you how to fix the Bluetooth pairing issues or errors on your Samsung Galaxy A33 and prevent them from happening again in the future. The first thing you have to do is to restart your phone and your Bluetooth device. Doing so will refresh them as well as their connection. So swipe down from the top of the screen with 2 fingers and then tap the power icon. Once the power menu shows, tap restart and confirm you want to reboot it. While your phone is rebooting, turn off your Bluetooth headset or speaker. Once the phone has finished rebooting, turn on your Bluetooth device, and in most cases, both devices will reconnect automatically. However, if you're still having connection issues with them, then you have to refresh the connection by deleting the current one and pair them again. So swipe down from the top of the screen and then tap and hold the Bluetooth icon. Once the Bluetooth settings page loads, tap the gear icon next to the Bluetooth device you're having issues with. Tap Unpair at the bottom right corner of the screen and both devices will immediately be unpaired. Put the Bluetooth device in pairing mode and tap Scan on your phone. Once your phone sees the device, tap on it and confirm you want to pair with it. This procedure is often enough to fix any Bluetooth connection problem. However, if it continues or occurs every now and then you should reset the network settings of your phone. In doing that, you're bringing all network services back to their default configuration, and that's enough to fix any wireless issue. Here's how it's done. Pull up the app drawer and then tap Settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap General Management. Tap Reset and select Reset Network Settings. Tap Reset Settings and enter your security lock if prompted. Tap Reset to finally reset the network services of your phone. After that, have it reconnect to your Bluetooth device, and that should do it. We hope that this troubleshooting guide can help you. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.